Hi students, welcome to Vijay Datta chemistry classes. This is Purnima ma'am. We are preparing methods of preparations of alkanes we are going to study. So what is the methods of preparations? Here I am going to give you the simple logics from some of the named reactions, right? So how to prepare the alkanes from some other functional groups actually. So what is methods of preparation means? Methods of preparations means we are using some other functional groups and we are getting our required alkanes. Okay, see, already everyone knows the name of this reaction, that is Wurtz reaction, right? Wurtz reaction, everyone knows this reaction is very easy, but what is the simple logic I am going to give from this reaction? From Wurtz reaction we cannot prepare lower alkanes. Lower alkanes cannot prepare from Wurtz reaction, and also it is preferable for the even carbon atoms. Even carbon atom products will get. Okay, so cannot prepare the lower alkane. So what is that? Let us see here. So Wurtz reaction, it is easy. That is nothing but we are taking the alkyl halide CH3Cl, one of the alkyl halide, reacting with the sodium. I am taking the 2 moles of sodium and 2 moles of alkyl halides, that is nothing but 2 moles of methyl chloride. Then what in presence of acetone, in presence of dry ether, we are taking this reaction, right? So what simply happens here? 2 Na, 2 moles of Na and 2 Cl comes out as that 2 moles of NaCl. Then whatever is left, CH3 and CH3. Then the product is CH3 single bond CH3. That is nothing but C2H6, called, the name of the reaction is called ethane. Here, why we cannot prepare lower alkanes? The simple logic is we are taking 2 moles. If you are taking CH3Cl, obviously in the product it is nothing but C2H6. We have to double that alkyl group. So we cannot prepare CH4 from this Wurtz reaction. Because if you are taking CH3 only no starting alkane. If you are taking CH3Cl, you have to double that, then you will get C2H6. Suppose simply they have given C3H7Cl. What is the product for the Wurtz reaction? Simple. You just double this alkyl group. The product of this Wurtz reaction is C3H7 plus C3H7, C6H14. It forms that N-hexane. N-hexane, normal hexane will be the product. Suppose if you are taking C2H5Cl in presence of Wurtz reaction, 2 moles of Na, 2 moles of C2H5Cl in presence of dry ether, the product is C4H10 straight chain. That's why it is called N-butane. So you observe N-hexane. Hex is the even number. Butane, but is the even number. Ethane, eth means 2 carbons, is the even number. That's why what I said, from the Wurtz reaction you can prepare even carbon atom products. Carbon atom number will be the even number for the Wurtz reaction. Got it? One more thing here, we have a cross Wurtz reaction also. Next one is the crossed Wurtz reaction. Crossed Wurtz reaction. What is this crossed Wurtz reaction? In the Wurtz reaction, you have taken same type of 2 alkyl halides, students, right? Same type of 2 alkyl halides you are taking, that is Wurtz reaction. 2 different alkyl halides if you are taking, that is called cross Wurtz reaction. Crossed Wurtz reaction. I am taking 1 mole of CH3Cl and 2 moles of Na, and then I am taking here ClC2H5. It is called methyl chloride. It is methyl chloride. It is ethyl chloride. It is ethyl chloride. This is in presence of dry ether. In presence of dry ether, the same 2 moles of NaCl comes out. Then that is plus 2 NaCl. Then the product is CH3C2H5. CH3C2H5. C2H5 is nothing but CH2CH3. Then this is called propane. So by using the crossed Wurtz reaction, you can prepare odd carbon atom products. Odd carbon atom products, guys. And also here also you cannot prepare the lower alkane. Odd carbon atom products you can see here. Along with this propane, you will get two more products also. That is nothing but C2H6, and you can get C4H10 also. How we will get this? So total in cross-Wurtz reaction, we are getting three types of alkanes. One is propane we are getting, another one is ethane we are getting, another one is the butane we are getting. How we are getting these two products? Just take small example. In one container, you have added CH3Cl plus sodium plus C2H5Cl you have added. So you are taken this reaction in presence of dry ether you have taken. Then what happened? So in this container, CH3Cl molecules are there, C2H5Cl molecules are there, sodium is also there. So the sodium and dry ether, they are acting as the medium to give the alkanes, right? So if CH3Cl molecules are reacting with C2H5Cl molecules, product is propane. So all are in same container, then CH3Cl molecule can react with CH3Cl molecule also, no? If CH3Cl again reacts with CH3Cl in presence of sodium and dry ether, Wurtz reaction, product is CH3, you have to double, CH3 plus CH3, C2H6 is the product. C2H5Cl also reacts with C2H5Cl, right? Then you are getting C4H10 as the product. That's why this is called crossed Wurtz product. That is nothing but you have taken A plus B. A molecule reacts with the B molecule at the same time. A molecule reacts with the A also, B molecule reacts with the B also. A plus B both are reacting, the product is propane. A plus A both are reacting, product is ethane. B plus B both are reacting, product is butane. So in the crossed Wurtz reaction, we can get three types of alkanes. So what is the common point in Wurtz and cross-Wurtz reaction? In both also we cannot prepare methane. Okay, fine. This is Wurtz reaction and cross-Wurtz reaction. Then in which preparation method we can prepare methane? That is nothing but called decarboxylation. One more method of preparation for the alkanes is decarboxylation. What is decarboxylation? Decarboxylation in presence of soda lime. Here the reagent is soda lime. What is the formula for soda lime? Lime is nothing but calcium only. Soda is nothing but caustic soda. That is nothing but NaOH plus CaO combinedly called soda lime. Here in this the reaction, which one we are taking? Salts of acetic acid. Acetic acid formula is CH3COONH. One of the hydrogen is removed and you are replacing with the metal. That metals can be sodium or potassium, because these are the first group metals. These are more basic in nature. Then they gives the perfect salts. Then CH3COONA you can take, otherwise CH3COOK also you can take. This is called sodium acetate. This is called potassium acetate. Salts of acetic acid. Hydrogen is replaced with some base, then those are said to be salts. Any acid, one of the hydrogen is replaced with some metal, those are said to be the salts. Here salt, the name of this compound is called sodium acetate. It is potassium acetate. These two are reacting with soda lime. That is nothing but NaOH in presence of calcium oxide. Potassium acetate is reacting with sodium hydroxide in presence of calcium oxide, in presence of soda lime. Then the product is simply the CO2 will be removed from this, and the shortcut, simple shortcut and simple logic is nothing but for the decarboxylation to this alkyl group, simply add hydrogen. Then it is CH4 plus Na2CO3, sodium carbonate is the product. Here also CH3CO, okay, you have taken. Then the product to the CH3 simply add CH4 plus Na2CO3. So What is the simple here? The from the decarboxylation you can prepare lower alkanes also, means we can prepare the methane also from the all we can prepare, not only the odd carbon, even carbon, all the carbons, lower alkanes and higher alkanes, everything we can prepare from the decarboxylation. Here calcium oxide is acting as a dehydrating agent. Calcium oxide is acting as the dehydrating agent. I can take two more examples over here. Let us see here. I will take CH3, CH2, COONA reacting with soda lime, sodium hydroxide in presence of calcium oxide. Then the product is whatever it is, you just leave it. The soda lime you have seen and sodium acetate you have seen. Simply remember that point. Then whatever the alkyl group is given, CH3, CH2, you add simply hydrogen to that. Then CH3, CH3. That is nothing but C2H6 called ethane. If you have taken prop, that is nothing but see here, CH3, CH2, CH2COONA. Name of this compound is sodium butanoate, because this carbon is also count into the naming. But you have to consider this alkyl group only. This is in presence of soda lime. This is in presence of soda lime. CH3, CH2, CH2H you should add. Then the product will be CH3, CH2, CH3 called C3H8. So this is called propane. So even odd lower alkanes, everything we can be prepared from the decarboxylation reactions. These are the some of the reactions decarboxylation, like we can say by using the carboxylic acid. So these are the some of the named reactions, and still methods of preparations are there. We can see some more method of preparations in the next video. Okay students, thank you. Thank you so much. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comments box. I'll take the topics and I'll explain. Please, if you like the teaching, please share, subscribe, and share the video. Please subscribe to my channel and you get the more subject and all. Thank you so much students.